Have you noticed your morning coffee doesn't give you the same kick it used to? At 30, it fueled your whole day. But after 50, it leaves you crashing by noon and weaker where it matters most. The truth is, your body is giving you clues. Today, I'll show you 5 upgrades you can add to your daily coffee that most men have never heard of. I've watched countless men discover this too late. Don't be that man. When you roll out of bed slower than you used to, when that first cup doesn't hit like it did at 30, when your energy fades before noon, that's not just aging. That's your body waving a red flag. Your testosterone drops 1% every year after 40. Your arteries stiffen like old garden hoses. Silent inflammation corrodes your vitality from within. Think of your arteries as highways. At 30, they're smooth interstates. By 50, pothole-riddled back roads. Blood flow slows. Energy crashes. Performance fades. Studies show that by age 50, most men have lost 30% of their nitric oxide production, the master molecule that tells arteries to relax and let blood flow freely. But decline doesn't start with hormones alone. It begins with blood flow, the silent switch you can turn back on. And the first discovery is as simple as what you stir into your coffee: beet powder. Hidden in this humble root is the natural signal your body craves. Imagine your arteries as rusty pipes. Beet powder sends molecular plumbers through your system with the equivalent of WD-40. Beets convert to nitric oxide, the same molecule Viagra works on, but naturally. Within 90 minutes, studies show measurable blood flow improvements to muscle and erectile tissue. Athletes use this before competitions for 16% better oxygen delivery. One patient, a 52-year-old mechanic, added half a teaspoon to his morning coffee. Within 3 weeks, morning erections returned. His words: "It's like someone turned the water pressure back up." The taste? Barely noticeable in coffee, maybe slightly earthy, but the results are unmistakable. But circulation is only half the story. Without stable blood sugar, your arteries still corrode from within. Every sugar spike sends sandpaper through your bloodstream, scratching arterial walls and suppressing testosterone production. Cinnamon is your secret weapon. Research shows it reduces fasting blood sugar by up to 29%. The compound MHCP literally mimics insulin, shuttling sugar where it belongs instead of letting it cause havoc. A 58-year-old contractor with borderline diabetes added half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon daily. After 6 weeks, steady energy all day and healthy blood sugar levels. Ceylon cinnamon matters. It's safer for daily use than regular grocery store cinnamon. Plus, cinnamaldehyde helps produce more nitric oxide for double benefits. But stabilizing blood sugar isn't enough. Your hormones, your body's command center, are fading. And the next discovery comes from 14,000 feet up in the Andes. At 14,000 feet in Peru, maca root thrives in brutal conditions. Incan warriors consumed it for legendary strength and fertility. Maca doesn't add hormones. It talks directly to your hypothalamus and pituitary, the master controls that tell your body to make testosterone. Think of it as fixing your hormone system's antenna, not just boosting volume. Studies show men taking 1.5 to 3 grams daily report significant improvements in libido and energy within 8 to 12 weeks. One 54-year-old teacher's testosterone rose 23% in 3 months. It's like someone turned the lights back on upstairs. Maca is an adaptogen. It helps your body maintain balance. Yellow maca is mildest, red for prostate health, black for energy and stamina. But hormones need strong vessels to carry them. The next discovery oils your arteries like WD-40. Even great blood flow and hormones fail if your arteries are brittle and tissues weak. Real unsweetened cocoa powder contains flavonols that signal vessels to produce nitric oxide while protecting arterial lining. Harvard studies show daily cocoa consumption creates blood vessel function 15-20 years younger. Collagen rebuilds the scaffolding. After 25, you lose 1% yearly. By 50, you're running on half the structural protein of your 20s. A 55-year-old former athlete added cocoa and collagen to his coffee. After 2 months, back to old workout intensity with half the joint pain. Cocoa adds rich flavor without sugar. Collagen dissolves tasteless. Your body feels the difference even if you don't taste it. But even repaired vessels fall to a hidden enemy working 24/7. Chronic inflammation is like tiny flames destroying your arteries, prostate, and joints. Modern life feeds these fires constantly. Turmeric's curcumin acts like molecular fire extinguisher, reducing inflammatory markers up to 58%, but alone, it's poorly absorbed. Add black pepper's piperine and absorption increases 2000%. Traditional Indian cooking paired these for thousands of years. They knew what science proves, exponentially more powerful together. Add healthy fats like MCT oil. Testosterone is made from fats. Men consuming MCTs have 20% higher testosterone than those consuming other fats. A 56-year-old gave up golf due to joint pain. After 6 weeks with turmeric, pepper, and MCT oil in coffee, inflammation markers normalized and he was shooting his best scores in years. The complete system: beets for blood flow, cinnamon for blood sugar, maca for hormones, cocoa and collagen for structure, turmeric and fats for inflammation control. I've shown you how to turn morning coffee into the most powerful 10 minutes of your day. Not expensive supplements, but grocery store ingredients under $30. Start simple. Cinnamon and cocoa for 1 week. Add beet powder week 2, maca week 3. By week 4, try the full protocol. Don't rush. Give your body time to remember efficiency. Total investment, $25 for 2 months of ingredients. Compare that to energy drinks or productivity lost to constant fatigue. Here's the truth: decline is not destiny, it's neglect. You can ignore these signals and accept getting older as excuse for feeling worse, or take 30 seconds every morning to fuel your body properly. I've seen thousands make this choice. Those who take action are still crushing it at 60, 70, beyond. Those who ignore it become statistics. Your body is still capable of incredible things, but only if you give it the raw materials it needs. Don't let another morning pass drinking empty calories when you could be drinking vitality. Start tomorrow. Tell me in the comments what you currently add to your coffee. Try this protocol and report back in 30 days. Your experience might encourage another man to take that first step. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for more straight talk about men's health after 50. Share this with a buddy who needs to know decline is not destiny. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Your morning coffee ritual is where it all begins. Stay strong.